Good morning students, welcome back for the class 12 subject business studies. In last video I told you that I'll provide objective based question for the chapter number 1 for practice purpose. So you can find the description below this video for the practice purpose for MCQs, and it will help you to understand one-line question answers also, and it will help you to understand the concept of that particular chapter itself. Hope so you will follow the practice session of this chapter, and whatever the doubts you will face, I'll provide the answer. You need to mention the problem or question in the below comment section, or you can go with the helpline number. I'll provide the solution for these questions in next video itself. Along with that, I'll provide some more questions related to same chapter. Hope so you will solve it. That's it for today. Thank you.